Hi everyone. Okay, this morning I'm going to show you how to add speed ramps to a video. Okay, first of all, I'm going to open a new project. Here I open a new project. Okay, as you know how to import a video, we will speak this step. Okay, so here I import media and I go to my desktop. I take this video for example. And here I add this video to my timeline, just here. And as you can see here, we are in the cut window. So I take the window called edit here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is to locate how I want to add the speed ramp. Okay, here is the video. Okay, here I want to add
Et
the
voilà un ballon qui
speed
échappe au
ramp
Barça.
just uh, the time when uh, the 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 player will give the next pass here. You see?
Oui, il y a un peu de champ. Là,
Okay, this is the time I want to add the speed ramp. So I take just here. I place my mouse here, and I take uh, uh, retime control. Retime control. You see, and here I tap here and I take add speed point, as you can see. Okay, here a speed point will be added here, you see. So from the beginning till here we have 100% speed. This is the normal speed. And here I take change speed and I take, for example, 50%, you see. Okay. Okay. And as you can see, when we are going to play it, you will notice that it will go slowly.
c'est
See? Okay. So here I will go back to, I will first of all add another speed point and I go back to 100%. Change speed, 100%. Okay. Now I will play till Vinicius will uh, make a tackle. You see, a tackle, and then I will go back to 100%. Okay, so let's go.
et ça joue sur Vinicius.
You see, okay, this is okay. I go back a bit here. You see, and I take 50% again. Playing speed 50%. You see, okay, okay. Here I will undo because I forgot to add a speed point. So I add speed point and I go back to 50%. Okay.
Sur Vinicius.
Okay. And here, before the goal, I add another speed point and I go back to 100%. You see?
Et oui, le
Okay.
but.
Okay. That's all. Okay. Now let's see the results. So I will save this project. To save it as I showed you, go to deliver. Now, let's say for example, speed ramp, video, quick, okay. Location, for example, uh, we go to okay. Okay. Now, quality, we'll take for example, medium. Okay. And we take add to render queue, as you know it, and render all. Okay. Okay. Now, let's locate the file and see the results.
qui échappe au Barça. Oui, il y a un peu de champ là, sur le côté. Et ça joue sur Vinicius. Et oui, le but. Voilà le
Okay,
troisième pour le hat-trick.
thank
C'est
you very
incroyable.
much. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.